Good morning and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I am just fixing breakfast and I'm going to make an announcement that I'm going to be off for the next week or so. As many of you may be aware, I am involved in a production of Mamma Mia! So next weekend, we actually have 4 shows. So we have one tonight and tomorrow night. So it's been a lot rehearsing. This is the first time I've been on stage in years. I actually grew up in the theater. Yep. So let me send you over to some of my castmates to tell you about our production. And maybe if you live close enough, you can come and go to the show.
How are you today? We are at Yes! We're really happy to have Chef Carter in the cast with us for Mamma Mia! Here we go again! And when is the show open?
August 9th.
August 9th. Fantastic. At Richmond Civic Theater.
2 weekends.
How many shows we have?
7
shows. A million shows. I love it. What's your favorite song? Go. Does her mother know? Yes! That's my song. It's pretty fantastic. I'm here for it.
It is fantastic.
What's your favorite song?
My favorite song is mine. Take a chance on me.
Also my favorite song.
Yes.
Your favorite song? I like Waterloo.
Yeah! They had to stick that one in there at the end. We love it.
All right.
Love Waterloo.
Anything else you want to say to the wonderful subscribers out there?
Tickets are currently on sale and they're going fast, so go to gorct.org to order tickets.
And come and watch Chef Carter shake her booty. Okay, I'll shake it, shake it.
I get to dance with her, it's a thing.
We think she's
It's like the best.
Alright, so I know you're probably like wondering why I'm cutting my bagel half in half. I like thin bagel, so that's why I'm cutting it in half. I don't like eating a whole bagel, they're so thick. So in my mind I hear New Yorkers going, no! That's not the way you do a bagel. So, I'm sorry if I offended you. Yeah, it's just the way I like it. But if you do this, please be careful. I think I'm through. I didn't do this so good. That's alright. So I have my coffee ready. I really don't know what I'm going to cook today. Other than, you know, oh, I got coffee grounds on my bagel. I didn't think the coffee grounds touched the top of this. But my water is boiling. My tea kettle is about to whistle. There we go. So I want to make some coffee for me and Mom. Ooh. So we got this coffee at the farmer's market. Let me show you. So it's called Rhino Coffee, and this guy who lives near town, he buys his coffee and he roasts and grinds the beans himself, and it's pretty good. I like it. It's just as good as what you would buy out of the store. Alright, so as I said, I don't know what I'm going to cook. I did bacon in the oven, and I did more than enough, so I'm going to make a salad with some of the bacon. So how many pieces of, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces of bacon. That's a lot. Okay, let me get these toasted up. I'll be right back. Alright, so it's in the toaster. So while it's toasting, let me tell you a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and eat this little piece. But a little bit more about my musical. So it's Mamma Mia. And you guys know the story of Mamma Mia. It's about a woman who, 21 years before that time period, she had 3 lovers. And the one she loved, though, was this guy named Sam. And he went home to marry his fiancée. So my castmates are really great. There is really something special about this cast of Mamma Mia. First of all, everyone is absolutely talented. I mean, everyone. You know, they're either excellent dancers or excellent singers, or they excel at both. Wonderful actresses and actors. And I mean, it's just amazing. I can only assume what the director did was, because she has so many talents, is for some of the cast, she just had to throw everybody's name in a hat and pull, because she had so many choices. So, let me see. I always get so impatient. Let me pop this. Yeah, they're about to my liking. So I think for one of these, I don't know what you want to call these, bagel slices, I'm going to do cream cheese and pineapple jelly. I got this from the Amish store. It's so good. Alright. Now I'm going to put some of the pineapple jelly on the cream cheese. And then a couple of pieces of bacon. Okay, just like that. Doesn't it look good? That's so good. I've done it with ham as well. Ham's good on that too. I was thinking about putting an avocado on my bagel, but I think I'm going to save my avocado for lunch. So, thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. I kind of gave you a new recipe today. And, like I said, right now, with it being so hot in the summer, I'm not cooking a lot. So, I think it's best to just take a little break, and then I'll get back with you in a week or so when I'm cooking more yummy stuff. So until then, you can review some recipes if you're new to my channel. Maybe go back and see some recipes you haven't seen before. You know, I have some, oh, what do you call those videos that are linked? Like the list videos. I have those you could look at. A lot of cool things. So, until then, I'll see you later. Thanks for stopping by, and come see Mamma Mia if you're nearby.
Take a chance on us. Come and see Mamma Mia.
So he left, and that's not coming back?
Because, like, there's not usually a gap back here, is there? Like between this and this?
No, not usually.
We don't have a separate.
Although I was thinking about making a gap.
You think about making one? Okay, we could try that out then.
Ruthann, are we about ready or?
Yes. Kaya?
Thinking that we would put a rack upstairs
Thank you.
for you and just have all your stuff in there for you? You mentioned a couple of times you're changing up there.
Yeah.
But if you're driving, you see how quick you can. That would save you up and down the steps.
Yeah.
The